How to get Medicaid in Florida without waiting 5 years. This is what we're talking about in this video. And when I say Medicaid, I should state more specifically, what we're really talking about is long-term care Medicaid, right? The Medicaid waiver program, which helps pay for care at home or in an assisted living facility, or the Medicaid ICP program, which helps pay for care in a nursing home. And can we get our clients who have too much by way of income or too much by way of assets, or both, can we get them access to these programs without having to wait 5 years? And the answer is yes. That is in fact what I spend most of my time doing, is working with people who have too much assets, whether it's liquid assets, whether it's extra properties, whether it's money in the bank, money in a brokerage, stocks, bonds, whatever the case is. It's preventing them from qualifying for these Medicaid long-term care programs, or they make too much money through all income sources combined. And so the big misconception in my world is, well, if you don't have 5 years to move the money around, don't even bother, just wait until you go broke first. That is 100% not true. 95% of my clients, I would say, maybe even more than that, come to me, they need Medicaid yesterday, and they would prefer not to have to go broke first. They do not have 5 years to wait. And we have legal and ethical ways of getting money out of my client's name in a way that does not trigger the 5-year look-back period. Because the 5-year rule, which is what everyone gets confused, really only pertains to gifting money away. So that's what we're not going to be doing, right? But we still have legal and ethical Medicaid compliant ways of getting money and assets out of my client's name within 5 years, actually within a few months of applying for Medicaid. More often than not, we are able to do this. And everything is above board. We tell Medicaid exactly what we're doing. We'll say, hey, Medicaid, you'll notice that our client started off with, I'm making up a number, $200,000, $50,000, $100,000, whatever the case is, right? And now they only have $2,000. Here's what happened to the money. Here's where it went, and here's why still under state and federal law, you, Medicaid, the state agency, must give my client access to these long-term care benefits. So when people go, is it possible to get Medicaid if you don't have 5 years to wait? The answer is 100% yes. That's what I do all day, every day. If you are anywhere in the state of Florida and would like to talk about this further, please feel free to schedule a consultation. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, please share it. All part of my effort to bring good information to the people of Florida. And thank you very much for watching.